In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create relational database in Notion. We'll start right inside Notion and use a ready-made template to get you up and running quickly. Then I'll show you how to tailor it so it actually fits your workflow. First, open your workspace and look to the very top left. Click the small drop-down arrow to reveal the full sidebar. If your sidebar is already open, you'll still want to use that arrow area to make sure you're viewing the main workspace menu. This gives you quick access to everything you need for templates. Next, click on Templates. This opens Notion's template options where you can browse starter setups made by Notion and the community. If you see a Templates button again in the window that appears, click it to enter the full template gallery. Think of this as the marketplace for pre-built pages and databases. In the gallery, go to the search bar and type the word Relational. Relational databases in Notion are collections of pages that can link to each other across different databases, making it easy to connect tasks to projects, clients to notes, or content to sources. Searching relational helps surface templates that already include those cross-database connections. From the results, select a template that best matches your use case. Look for examples that mention relations or rollups or show multiple databases connected together, like projects connected to tasks. Open the preview to skim how it's structured and confirm it has the relationships you want. When you're ready, click Add. Choose the workspace and location where you want the template to live. Notion will add a full page that includes the databases, example entries, and any preset views like tables, boards, or calendars. This gives you a working starting point without building from scratch. Now, edit the template so it fits your needs. Open the page and review the databases it includes. Rename them to use your terms, delete any sample entries, and adjust properties. For relation properties, confirm they point to the right paired database and rename those relation fields to something clear, like project or client. If the template uses rollups, make sure they're summarizing the data you care about, such as total tasks or next due date. Tidy up the views, add filters to show only active items, sort by priority or due date, and hide properties you don't need. As a tip, duplicate the template page before making big changes so you always have a clean backup. Finally, create a couple of test entries and link them using the relation property to verify everything works. That's it. Your relational database is set up and customized in Notion.